Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my strawberry blueberry yogurt smoothie. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of ice. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 full scoop of my vanilla Slim Fast protein powder. And then I'm going to add about a half a cup of whole great value strawberries. Next, all you see me doing is adding great value blueberries. I normally add about a half a cup to a full cup of blueberries because I really do like the flavor that it gives my smoothies. Now I'm going to be adding about a half a cup of my yogurt. I will be using the Dannon, I think it's Light and Fit yogurt, and it is so good, you guys. And now I'm just following up with a half of ripe banana. And now I'm adding my V8 pomegranate blueberry juice. I used about 8 ounces of this, and this will really give it the flavor that it needs. So it gives it that like sweet flavor that I think you guys will definitely enjoy. And then I just shake it up and I begin to blend my smoothie using my NutriBullet. So that is pretty much it, y'all. I normally let it do its thing for about maybe 30 seconds. And then I go ahead and take it off of the blender and I pour it into my nice little glass. And that's pretty much what I have for breakfast when I want something sweet and also healthy at the same time. So if you guys are looking for a good option, here you go.